So what'd you do last night?
Hung out
Yeah, where'd you go?
around town.
You went around town?
Yeah,
You got the car?
yeah.
Where'd you go with?
Me and Peter.
Who else?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
No girls?
Nah,
How come?
because it's a two-seat car.
You see the car. What are you fucking kidding somebody? You get out of the fucking car when you see girls, you're gonna hang out with them. What'd you do?
Drove around.
What time did you go home?
12.
You went home at 12?
We were closing.
Oh, you closed the stores? What'd you eat last night?
Ices. He didn't eat any ices.
What did he eat?
I don't know. He had a thing of bacon, I think, or ham.
Bacon?
No, bologna.
Yeah, what kind of bologna?
Bologna, I don't know.
What do you mean? You had a pound of bologna?
Half pound.
That's all you ate all day? Was it half a pound of bologna?
Yeah, I guess. I don't remember.
What did you eat for breakfast?
We got up at 1.
Peter, what'd you eat yesterday? Hey, this guy says you had a half a pound of bologna, and I got another story. Boneless spare ribs. What else did you eat? Now, if I go ask somebody else, I'll get a third meal.